Trying to change this thing here, so tedious. This front links, Mazda links that link the two the sway bar to both sides and connects to the strut. This is not too bad, but they say I should change them in pairs. Since they come in pairs, let's change it. And maybe we can have some spare parts at another time. Maybe. But I feel that the lower one is gone as well. I just feel that. It's a tedious task. If we should move a little faster, we'd have to take off the control arm. Control arm.
If it didn't spin, it'll come off long time.
It would have been off already. But it's basically an easy job. I have my friend here helping me. Oh, I don't know. Find the other bolt where it flings to. But I bought these on eBay. A friend of mine purchased it for me, saying that she wants me to be safe. Can't find that one. Check it to see how it's looking.
This?
Yeah.
It's gone. It's gone.
Yes. So you see that one gone. So we have a new one. Not too bad. That we're going to put in.
What you got?
Hold on, you turn it upside down. So the battery look like it won't charge. That is the button, so it's done. So I don't know, but I am putting on the light for him and recording at the same time. That one put in easy, and then we put it down the bottom there. People, this is not the best video, but this is too, just as how you put it, it's done here on this side, it's the same, it's done on the other side, and that needs to be placed in before anything. And here, and then the screw fall, and I don't know where it is. Trust me.
I'll put on this first.
So I'll put in the top one first.
You have to put down during a cut, you see?
Yeah. Up there. The light has gone. We're working at night, and the light has gone at the wrong time. So we're searching for the bolt, and
oh, yeah, you phone?
Yeah. I'm using full recording. And listen, it's not gone over there, so I'm wondering if it fell under this something. And I don't see it down there. That would be too bad. See there? Right under that roller wheel. We found it. So going to try to attach it back so that we might have a grip. It drop? Come on, man. Let's do this now. We can't lose this thing. I rebuke you in Jesus' name. Sit there right in front of you. Yeah. So we're trying to attach this thing back together. Starting it off first. In a way, this man is a very strong man. And the lion. See me carry dirty though. But tight it. Alright, I think you have to go underneath from this side. We're trying to tighten it. Let's move a little fast. Buy some of those ratchet if I can. Alright. So I don't know what's happening here. If I see a lot of oil here. I don't know if my diff is leaking and I need to change the drive shaft. God forbid I don't have those money. We're trying to put in that little what is one catch and tighten the one up at top before I come. Yes, again. It'll give me trouble. I would tighten the one up top. Nice. There's a way for everything. Yeah. I lean on the vehicle, I lean on the brother. Boy. Alright. That one tighten. Put on the something. Let's see how I use the phone.
Use the phone.
Let's see we do. Your power. So we're going to put on back the wheels, and that's it. Hopefully we jack it up a little bit more. Virgin. Oh, simple something here. Put screw it on first. Right away, damage. Screw it on a little.
So crash ready, sir.
Hmm?
Crash ready.
Yeah. One more. Like that. I may have a third them down. I think a 90 foot-pound. If they want to look after this. No money. You drop it on that one, man. Okay. Just a little bit of patience and grace to have this on. Hopefully we can get them on and get home safely. Hold on. Attach something here for me. A little something there rub. It wasn't attached. You go in. Feel it. I'm sitting here pushing a loop. You see it? Pull off a bit time. You see. Pull off a bit. See you have on this.
No, see about me rub them.
Okay, yeah.
Steer me there, try move. I'm going to the lock.
Put on. Nature. So we ending the video here. Very easy job, but tedious because we are on the floor. Just to give you an idea of what it would be like to put on your own steel link. Those nuts are tightened to 40 foot-pound. They are untightened because of the position that we are in. And but it's okay. And we're going to torque these wheels to 90 foot-pounds. Thank you so much for watching. And